Good morning, dear students. Warm welcome to this session. You're watching EduStar, Class 5, Science, Lesson 8, Rocks and Minerals, Part 1. Now it's activity time. We can start this lesson with small activity. Identify the following monuments and unscramble the words. Are you ready, dears? Dear children, point the name of this monument. Then say what kind of stone used in this monument. Yes, dears, this is Taj Mahal, made up of marble. Marble is one kind of stone. What is this? Yes, dears, this is Red Fort. This Red Fort is made up of red sandstone. Dear children, now we can guess. Yes, dears, we are going to see about rocks. We will learn about rocks, minerals, and types of minerals, and difference between rocks and minerals. What are rocks? Rocks are found everywhere on the earth. They occur in various colors and types in nature. They differ in the method of their formation, their degree of hardness, texture, color, and in their chemical composition. By studying the smaller pieces of rocks, we can find out about their formation, structure, and composition. Scientists who study rocks are called geologists. Our earth is made up of rocks and soil. Rocks are made of minerals. Rocks and minerals are used for various purposes. We are surrounded by rocks everywhere. Roads, playground, gardens, and our backyard. They all have some kind of rock or the other. The different kind of rocks that are used to make a house comfortable and beautiful. The tiles in the bathroom, the smooth and shiny floors, etc. are all made of different kinds of rocks. Our planet Earth is made up of rocks. That's why it is sometimes also called the third rock from the sun. Earth is all rock, the highest mountains, the deepest seabeds, the grains of sand, the big boulders are all rocks. Boulders means stones or rocks. Can you understand, dears? What are rocks made up of? Some of these are dull and some very colorful. We can therefore define rocks as naturally formed solids made up of one or more substances such as minerals, grains, etc. All rocks made up of naturally occurring substances called minerals. A rock contains one or more minerals. Rocks may contain a mixture of minerals in almost any proportion or may be composed of only one mineral. Rocks are divided into different types depending on the quality, quantity, and arrangement of minerals in them. What are minerals? All rocks are made up of minerals. Minerals are chemical substances that occur naturally on the earth. As we know, minerals are natural substances present in rocks. In addition to the major rock-forming minerals, smaller amounts of other minerals are also found in the rocks. Minerals can be grouped into two categories, namely metallic mineral and non-metallic mineral. Metallic minerals: gold, silver, iron, aluminium, calcium, and copper are some examples of metallic minerals. They are generally present as rocks in interior of the earth in combination with other minerals. The desired minerals can be extracted from the rocks containing them through various processes. These rocks are called ores. Ores are extracted from the earth by forming tunnels called mines. For example, a mine where gold is found is known as a gold mine. Next, we are going to see about uses of metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are used for making jewelry, vehicle, utensils, wires, etc. Iron, aluminium, and copper are used for making utensils, coins, wires, and machines. Silver, platinum, and gold are used for making jewelry. Next, we are going to see about non-metallic minerals. In addition to metallic minerals, the earth crust also contains large deposits of non-metallic minerals such as coal, petroleum, feldspar, mica, and silicon. Among these minerals, coal and petroleum are called fossil fuels as they are formed from the remains of dead plants and animals that were buried under the earth millions of years ago. Students, we will learn about these fossil fuels later. Now we are going to learn about the difference between rocks and minerals. All rocks are minerals, but all minerals are not rocks. Dear children, let's see the difference between rocks and minerals. Minerals do not contain plant or animal matter. Rocks may contain plant and animal matter. Minerals usually have a uniform color and shape. Rocks different in color and shape. Minerals, some of them have crystals and are usually pretty. Rocks, they do not have crystals. Minerals, they are pure and have a fixed composition. Rocks, they can be made of more than one minerals. Dear children, shall we revise once again? Our earth is made up of rocks and soil. Rocks are made of minerals. Rocks and minerals are useful for us. Minerals can be metallic and non-metallic. Can you understand, dears? Now we are going to write the classwork for this portion. Dear children, shall we write the classwork for this? Take one new page in your science classwork notebook. As usual, draw a line on the top red margin with pencil. Then leave one line and draw a line on the second blue line. In the first blue line, write lesson 8, rocks and minerals with black pen. The date column, write today's date. Leave one line and write neatly. Write heading in black color, remaining write with blue pen. Shall we start, dears? Rocks. Our earth is made up of rocks and soil. Rocks are made of minerals. Rocks and minerals are used for various purposes. Next heading, minerals. All rocks are made up of minerals. Minerals are chemical substances that occur naturally on the earth. Minerals are natural substances present in rocks. Next heading is types of minerals. Two types of minerals we have learnt, isn't it? Metallic mineral and non-metallic mineral. Write examples for each. Metallic mineral. Example: gold, silver, iron, aluminium, calcium and copper. Non-metallic mineral. Example: coal, petroleum, feldspar, mica and silicon. Next, you have to draw the two columns like this in your note and write the difference between rocks and minerals. Rocks. Rocks may contain plant and animal matter. Minerals do not contain plant or animal matter. Rocks differ in color and shape. Minerals usually have a uniform color and shape. They do not have crystals. Minerals, some of them have crystals and are usually pretty. Rocks, they can be made of more than one mineral. Minerals, they are pure and have a fixed composition. Dear children, write this classwork neatly. After the part 3 video of this lesson, you can send the classwork photos. So dear children, listen carefully. Don't send today's classwork photos through email today, because still worksheet correction is going on. So that we came to the end of this session. Dear children, stay home, stay safe. We will meet soon in our next video session. Thank you, dears.